Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Tech Brain. In this video, as you already know, I teach computer tricks. I'm going to teach you how to remove these shortcut arrows from your icons in order to have a clean looking PC screen. So to do this, you have to be following me as I search Regedit. This will open a register editor. Okay, so there's a pop-up which says yes. Then you have to find the H key local machine. Okay, so what you have to be doing next is to click on the software. Okay, so to scroll down, then look for the Microsoft. So you can already see here. Then keep scrolling till you find Windows. Okay. Then the next thing, look for the current version, as you can see over here. Then Explorer. Okay, in the Explorer. Then you have to right click on the Explorer over here. Then new key. You have to name this shell icons with a capital S with space in between them. Enter. Then in this shell icon, right click, sorry, new string. Then you have to type this 29 and click enter. So double click on it, then type in the value data, and I want you to type what I'm about to type, just the same thing. So percentage win another percentage, then backslash system capital S system 32 attached, then another backslash shell capital S 32 dot GLL comma space with minus 50. Then after this, want to click OK and minimize this for a moment. The next thing is you have to open your task manager. So as you're opening, then you take a little hand of yours, then you click on the subscribe as we move on. So you can use the shortcut key, the control plus the shift and delete. To open the task manager, so once opened, you want to look for, you have to make sure you have a lot of options like mine. If you don't have, then you have to be looking for more details like this. So So look for the Windows Explorer, down, Windows Explorer. It's a folder on its own. Okay, when right click on this Windows Explorer, then restart. After restart, the screen will restart for you. As you can see, it's ongoing. It's about restarting. Everything changes automatically. Then you can see over here all shortcut keys are gone. Thank you very much for watching the video. God richly bless you. Please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and God will bless you. Thank you. And like, subscribe, comment everything and I will reply you. And if you have any other video